Excuse me, can you help me find some clothes?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a casual shirt.
What size do you need?
I usually wear a medium.
Here's a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Where is the fitting room?
It's at the back of the store, on the left.
Can I try this shirt on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is right over there.
This shirt feels a little tight.
I can get you a larger size.
Do you have this in a large?
Yes, let me check for you.
Thank you. I really like this style.
You're welcome. It looks great on you.
Do you have this shirt in another color?
Yes, we have it in blue and white.
I think I'll take the blue one.
Good choice. I'll put it aside for you.
How much is this shirt?
It's $30.
Do you have anything cheaper?
Yes, we have some shirts on sale over there.
Are these shirts on sale?
Yes, they're 20% off today.
Can I see another shirt like this?
Sure. Let me show you some similar ones.
Which one do you recommend?
I recommend the black one. It's simple and easy to make.
I like the black one better.
Great! Would you like to try it on?
Is there a mirror nearby?
Yes, there's a full-length mirror beside the fitting room.
Where should I pay?
You can pay right here at the counter.
Can I get a bag, please?
Sure. I'll pack it for you.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Do you have a return policy?
Yes, you can return it within 30 days with the receipt.
What if the shirt doesn't fit?
You can exchange it for another size.
Can I exchange it at this store?
Yes, you can exchange it here.
I'd like to buy these jeans too.
Sure, let me check the size for you.
Do these jeans fit true to size?
Yes, they usually fit true to size.
I'll take these jeans and the black shirt.
Perfect. I'll add them to your purchase.
Could you tell me the total price?
Sure. Your total is $65.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Please tap it on the reader.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.